In this video, I'm going to show you how to check your engine coolant in the vehicle. Here is your engine coolant area. Levels is down here. And make sure the line is full. If it is, then you don't need to put fluid in it. If it's not, what you need to do is get some of this interface 50/50 coolant. All you do is pour it in there and make sure it's above the line. That's it for engine coolant. My cap's missing, so that's what it would say, engine coolant on the cap, like it says on the engine oil and other places. So this is probably one of the easiest things to do for owning a vehicle. Always check your fluids, engine oil, transmission, power steering, brake fluid, even the engine coolant as well. See you in a second, see what one is full. Okay, I'm back, and now the fluid level is full above the line. And what I do, I check my fluids every week, either on all my days off. And for these things, this costs $7 at the store. This brand, there's more brands that cost a little more than this. There's some up to $14, but I go with this because it's the cheapest and it lasts the longest for me. And there you go. That's how you check your engine coolant. Now I could do other videos on engine oil and other fluids as well. There's my new battery. I didn't make a video on this yet. But my previous video, I made a video about my battery. I had to get a new battery, and I did. It only cost $60. It's good till, so that's when I bought it, October last year. It's a value power battery from Walmart, and it does the job. It works. That should last a couple years. And the window washer fluids over there, always check that. It's a little low, but not that low yet. With that, you can use water. You can use Rain-X. It doesn't matter what you use. That's your brake fluid. Here's the engine. This is my 4-cylinder 1987 Oldsmobile Firenza. It's another antifreeze spot you put in there, the radiator. Well, I just put it in there and it cycles through there. There's alternator. Yeah, not much there to really see, but that's the insides of my car. But if you enjoyed this video, this is just a kind of a how-to video. I didn't really show how to pour it in, but you get the idea. You just pour it in there. You could use the funnel that goes on top here, but I don't use that because I'd be very careful with it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.